Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Sai Dental Vlogs and I'm Dr. Abhishek back with another video. So of late many of the students they're asking me, sir, what will happen to our career, third year, how will we finish our quota, final year, how we are going to finish our quota, how we are going to appear for exams. And many interns are asking, sir, how will we be able to learn work because of the COVID situations. The interns, the final years and third years won't be allowed to work. Whenever the lockdown opens, everybody have to come to the college to attend classes. So for third year, I feel it's okay if you are delaying it for some time. When you will come to final year, maybe the COVID situation will come down. But those who are in final years, I feel that if you are taking tension of quotas and all, how to finish them, don't take tension, because the DCI has given some guidelines in which you have to do assignments and you have to attend online classes and you have to do work on typhodont. So these things will be given for you in the exam. You won't have to take tension to bring patients, or you don't have to take tension that if you bring any patient he will get COVID or not, or you will get COVID or not. So this is the thing among final years, and I feel personally that the major problem will be with interns and PGs. Basically, in every college now, almost 50 to 70% of the colleges are closed now, right? So all the work is done by the staff wearing PPE kits, and since the registration charges, the work charges, the root canal charges, extraction charges have increased in each and every college. Even if it is not increased, they are about to increase, because we won't be able to work like the earlier we used to do. Patient used to come to the OPD, then we used to send them to different departments. Abhi the students and PGs to some extent, but not all, PGs and students won't be allowed to, in some colleges I'm telling, not all. अब थर्ड ईयर फाइनल ईयर की बात तो टोटल छोड़ दो, लेकिन interns and PGs they will be given less work. Interns hardly they will be doing any RCT. वैसे भी RCT interns को कम मिलता है, लेकिन in this I am talking about few of the private colleges and still don't know about the government colleges, because the PPE kits which are being provided, they are not being provided by the government. The college has to buy itself. So in order to meet those demands, the college is increasing the prices of the normal routine procedures, which usually are less than half rate in than the clinics, because earlier the root canal was 800 in college, now it is 2000 to 3000 rupees in between. So that works. Patients won't allow, even after paying so much, they won't allow कि कोई student उन पे करे. So they will be always expecting, okay, some professor or staff must do that. So who will be at harm? The interns will be at harm basically, and PGs who have joined new PG in first year. So I think little bit unlucky for the interns, because those who are posted now and they have still they have to complete their conservative department posting or oral surgery posting, they won't get any cases to do now. Yes, कुछ case मिल जाएंगे, but they won't get at that rate in which they used to get earlier. One more important factor I would like to focus, patient number will also reduce in colleges, because most of the patients will be scared to go to any hospital, and COVID is at its peak now with more than 1,20,000 cases in India, and every day around 5,000 to 6,000 cases are increasing, particularly on the western side of the country like Maharashtra, Gujarat, and with people becoming more aware of the situations, they are very much scared to go, and they are preferring to delay the treatment rather than doing it. For example, my mother, she is having some joint problem, but because of the COVID situation, I am reluctant to take her to a hospital, because she is already taking the medicine. So I am thinking, let her continue the medication for 1 more 2 months, and then we will see if the situation, because if you go out, the chance of infection increases, the chance of aerosol contamination increases. So this is the situation with interns, and this can be replaced because interns need to work, they need to learn work. So when the COVID situation decreases, so you can join some clinics after the internship, because whatever you have learned in internship, you won't be able to get back the internship again, right? So after this COVID situation is over, you can join some dental clinics to learn work for 1 year or 6 months. Even there are some professional institutes which are offering different kind of courses. But I would like to say that before doing those kind of courses, better you join some clinic, and after that you can go for those courses because you will have a rough idea how to do the work. So you have to give some 2 years, at least 2.5 years to learn work before opening the clinic. If you're thinking that after internship I'll open a clinic, it will be very difficult for you to cope up. And थर्ड ईयर फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोगों को टेंशन लेने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. आप अपना पढ़ाई, अपनी थियोरेटिकल पार्ट अच्छे से करिए. प्रैक्टिकल पार्ट लीव इट ऑन द कॉलेज, लीव इट टू द प्रोफेसर एंड स्टाफ, बिकॉज दे विल टेक केयर. You have given the money fees to study in this college. But one thing I would like to tell you कि पहले जो पेशेंट आपने अगर 5 या 10 पेशेंट आप करने वाले थे, आप 1 या 2 करोगे, because the situation is like this. You cannot do anything about it. So this is the video which I wanted to make and address this situation. And do comment me what you think, what should be done, any ideas, so that I can make more videos and put up anything to the higher authorities. And do share this video as much as possible, and if you have any queries, please do message me in Instagram in sai_dental. And with this I'll end the video, and later on I'll make more videos related to dental subjects and some techniques of dentistry. But since we all are in lockdown, we are not able to work that much on the patients, and but actually we are very much free now, so don't waste your time. Utilize your time at home with your parents and improving your skills. वैसे लॉकडाउन में कुछ skills improve हुआ नहीं है, just we become more lazy, what I feel. And try to study, at least gain some knowledge that you won't feel guilty after coming out of the lockdown. यार मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया, सिर्फ PUBG खेला और मैंने Netflix देखा. So this is the thing which is happening with maximum number of people right now, if I am not wrong. So अगर कोई query है तो sai_dental में आप भेज सकते हैं. Till then, have a very great day and a very great afternoon. Take care. Bye.